Hey everybody, today we're in a Subaru Impreza. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855061. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it here as this red covering. Now you're going to want to peel that covering off before you install the mount to the dash, and that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove it in the future, it won't leave any marks or residue behind. Second thing we want to mention is make sure you install the mount to the dash before you attach anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now on this mount, the first thing we're going to do is attach this upper lip here and this plastic piece that's up by the top screen. So you're gonna take your two included gap openers and you're gonna insert one of them right over by the hazard button and the other on the far left, just so we can get this seam opened up. Now with this mount, you'll notice there's a cutout between these two pieces right here. It's because there are some little tabs inside that seam. You have to make sure these two parts fit around one of those tabs. So you're gonna slide it in. Once you got it, you remove the gap opener. Now our second step, you're gonna take a gap opener and you're gonna insert it into the seam between the face plate of your entertainment system here. Once that's opened up, you basically just need to push down on the mount until it snaps into that seam. Once you got it, you remove the gap opener. Now you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.